Hi guys, welcome to the another episode of the Royal Videos. Now I am here to show you our very special project regarding how are we going to interpret the Philippines original creation theory. Wow! So I need a different view regarding that interpretation, and I made some Photoshop within it so that I can show how I depict the original creation theory of the Philippines. So it's somewhat the same with the common creation theory where God creates man and woman, except that there are only some significant changes. But as for my own view, I'm going to show you how I made it. So here is the Photoshop. You can see that. This laptop I still borrowed from our neighbor. So here you can see. Okay, that's it. Yeah, definitely. That one is my personal depiction of the movie. So let me just take a view of it. Okay, here you can see there is that one. I hope you see that gorgeous, because I think it's gorgeous for me. Well, I just made some effects. I really merged everything from Google. You can see there's a lot of layers over there. See that? Those are the layers. There are three groups. Okay, so there's probably 22 layers. 22 layers. Okay, that's it. Some editing stuff. So here's our final output. Let me discuss it to you. So here you can see there is the sun, that one, and this one is the moon. And I think it would be nice to have this effect of breaking them apart by applying a shadow. And of course, I had very significant animals: the leopard, the lion, or shall say that's a tiger, sorry, and the fish, the man and the woman, and of course the hand of God. So this one shows them being created beings, and the reason why I put them in the dark side is that it is mainly because man has disobeyed God's will. Yeah, they sinned, they boast themselves, and that's why I decided to put them in the dark side. While here on the light side, God's hand is there. So man, as you can see, the light rays, it also has significance, showing God's presence within the man. And I think that's it. That's my explanation. So guys, how's my output? Do you like it? Well, click on the subscribe button below so that you can still see more videos upcoming. I'm gonna be uploading more videos, and please click like if you like it, and dislike if you don't. Well then, comment also if you wanted me to do some crazy stuff, and I hope I could do it. And that's it. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.